Hey guys, hope you are doing well. Hope you are live after this tiny correction. And so we see some good buying opportunities out there. But the question is this dip for good to buying up some odds and Bitcoin? So we will talk about and also with about other news. My name is Mike Denkler from CorionX, and I'm bringing you the most important cryptocurrency news, technical analysis, altcoin, DeFi, NFT gems every day to keep you updated and educated. Nothing in this video can be considered as a financial or investment advice. Everything just for education and entertainment purposes only. So please subscribe to the channel, push the bell and the notification on, and also smash the like, and I'm just sharing our favorite bubble chart. Let's see what the market is doing. As you see, most of the altcoins are in red, so they are correcting, especially Loopring, Litecoin, Aave, and few others that rallied really well in the past few days. But Cardano, Helium, Alt, OMG, Mina Protocol, and Hex is pumping. So let's check our favorite indicator, the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. The index shows that it stays at 77, and if I'm right, the day before yesterday it was at 84, so that was an extreme greed 2 days ago, but now we are back in this middle of the extreme greediness. And let's check what's happened in the past 1 year. So we remember that in September and during the months in summer months, the index went to really low levels in the extreme fear zone, below 20 and even 10, and that was a good buying opportunity. But now we see more leveraging going on the market, and people are getting greedy, and this is when the greediness is lasting for weeks and months, that due for a correction. But we are not here, so I think maybe what's happened yesterday is a kind of whalish games where whales are threatening the newbies and just shaking out some cheap coins from paper hands. So let's go and check our first news, that Bitcoin hits 69,000 alongside rising US inflation rates. So guys, yesterday we experienced, before the dump, Bitcoin reached almost 69,000 before US inflation data shows that inflation is unstoppable in the US, and I think also in other countries across Europe and in the developing countries as well. So this happened on the same morning that the US states reported inflation levels hitting a 3-decade high. So guys, in the past 3 decades, now is the highest the inflation, and this is the official data. So maybe the real data is higher than that they are representing. So Bitcoin's widespread reputation as a hedge against inflation may have motivated its price gains today. Let's see what other hedges against inflation. So they use Bitcoin, Ethereum against inflation, and also gold as well. So gold price also jumped yesterday, and the inflation is highest to 6.2% higher than it was 1 year ago. So this is huge. Not a good news if you are living in the US, because you experiencing it on your backs, but it's good for if you are holding Bitcoin and crypto. Our next news is gold. Bitcoin lead gains in inflation hedges following biggest CPI jump in 3 decades. So almost the same, 6.2% year over year. Its highest reading in 3 decades, up 0.9 per month over month. High inflation readings can lead investors to seek out alternative investments that may hold up better than cash or bonds, which often pay out a fixed amount. New price of Bitcoin rose 2% on Wednesday and hit a record high, trading about 68,000 US dollars. So this is definitely huge. Let's go our next news. Bitcoin price briefly hit 69,000 US dollar all-time high before plummeting back to earth. So yesterday morning reached the all-time high, and then in the afternoon plummeted almost 5 or even maybe 10% from there. That was a 5,000 drop and even nearly 7,000 US dollar drop. And Bitcoin plunged below 63,000 US dollar for a couple of minutes. Okay, so PI inflation is high, and let's check what is this personal consumption expenditure, expense fund, and energy. So we see that the consuming uh, stuff is inflating much higher. Bitcoin has outperformed gold, the most widely regarded inflation hedge, by a considerable margin year to date, having gained over 100% compared with gold's 4% decline. So this is how Bitcoin outperformed gold. So good to see this chart as how Bitcoin is outperforming gold. Okay, so let's go to our next news and let's see what we do have here. Bitcoin has further to fall before BTC attacks 70,000 US dollars, says trader. Okay, crypto ad lines up with second chart, taking out those lows and retest support when bonds going for 70,000. So he expects this kind of Elliott wave retest back to 60, almost 60. What is 60? Yeah, almost 65,000, and it's already happened. And let's see what Peter Brand is saying. 1 US dollar when I was born is worth 8 cents today. 1 US dollar today will likely to be worthless when my grandkids are my age, part of Twitter post read. So from 1 US dollar to 8 cents, it's almost 92% inflation. And Peter Brandt, I think he is maybe above 50, but not sure, maybe just 40 something. Consolidation takes hold of major cryptocurrencies. Yes, also Elon Musk sold some Tesla before tax payment, and he sold just 1 billion worth of Tesla, not 23 billion that was in the Twitter poll. Check out my video, latest video, and then you will see also about this Elon Musk thing. Kraken predicts 96,000 BTC price, top as analyst says 1 trillion Bitcoin market cap is now cemented. So this is definitely huge. Who is talking from Kraken? Let's see. Kraken is one of the major exchange in the United States. Assuming BTC continues to follow in the footstep of Q4 2017, we would expect BTC to rally even higher into month's end. For some context, 220% in Q4 would imply a price of 96,000 for BTC. And this is the chart, the different Q4s in different years. And you see if we are just mimicking 2017, it should go up to 96,000 in this year. BTC upper Bollinger Band and 1 month RSI. So here we will see a top when this green line will be crossed by the candle, and also when RSI will be touch 100. So we are far away, so we have huge space to go. 1 trillion asset class is here to stay. Also, according to Willy Woo, Bitcoin as a 1 trillion asset class, in my opinion, is not cemented. Hard to see it's dropping below this zone. And this zone is the recent zone, the 50 and 60,000. So Willy Woo doesn't expect that Bitcoin will drop even in the next bear market below 50 and 60,000 US dollar. Let's go to our next news. Big news, Apple CEO Tim Cook reveals cryptocurrency investments. Apple CEO Tim Cook has stated that he owns cryptocurrencies, probably Bitcoin and Ethereum. Cook also stated that Apple is looking into allowing Bitcoin payments through Apple Pay. but I'm sure that they will not say it publicly, because then also competitors will catch up with the crypto developments. Whatever Cook's allocation means Apple will also invest in cryptocurrencies remains to be seen. Okay, so that was a great news. And let's see what can be that caused the yesterday pump, and not just on the crypto market, but also on the stock market. And also we have an update. So first news was that Evergrande went bankrupt, and this DMSI begins bankruptcy proceeding. And now the update is that Evergrande has paid part of 148 million interest due, yet DMSI begins bankruptcy proceeding. So I don't understand how they can start bankruptcy proceeding if they paid almost the due interest. And Evergrande is one of the biggest property development company in China, and they are full with debt, and they can hardly pay back their debt, and this is what happened in 28 crisis. So it's kind of repeating it in China. So definitely we should follow this news, because it can influence the entire market. And short term, it can dump the crypto market, but long term, I think it's better, because we don't have kind of over financing things in the crypto. Next piece of news is decision time looms for the first spot Bitcoin ETF. Here is why an actual launch could be years away. Okay, I think there is literally zero chance of passage in the next 3 years, somebody thought, but I think yes, because also Grayscale is pushing this, because Grayscale want to turn to a spot ETF. And also I think now, as we have the futures ETF, this can be the next step for allowing spot ETFs. Next piece of news is Cardano ADA staking address numbers swell by 100,000 in 2 months. So even if Cardano seems to be not moving, and we know that Cardano project's development just will be launched in the next few weeks, and Cardano seems to be a kind of not moving so that, but even users staking more and more Cardano, and they are supporting the network. Our next piece of news is Twitter announces a team to focus on crypto dApps, NFTs, and blockchain technology. So, guys, you know that Jack Dorsey, founder of Twitter and Square, he's really supporting the Bitcoin developments. And since now, Twitter just pushed just Bitcoin development, Bitcoin Lightning, tipping to Twitter accounts, and all other things that have been Bitcoin. But now they are also focused on crypto dApps, NFTs, and blockchain technology. So I think this is definitely huge. And Twitter to lead a new team focused on crypto, blockchain, and other decentralized technologies. So guys, just I remembering you that Facebook announced that they will turn to a metaverse, and metaverse is using crypto. And I see the same from Twitter. And also Jack Dorsey has a kind of mission to create a decentralized social media. And I think Twitter has a better chance to become a decentralized social media using cryptocurrencies, NFTs, blockchain than Facebook. Our next piece of news is Ethereum Arrow Glacier inked for December as difficulty bump is pushed again. So this is a part of the Ethereum 2.0, and we know that Ethereum 2.0 is a process in which Ethereum is going from proof of work to proof of stake, and that will help Ethereum to become more scalable, fast, and cheap. And this is the roadmap, AIP 100 and different AIP integrations, and this will happen, this Mule Glacier difficulty bomb delay. And I think after that, maybe somewhere in June, that will be the merging of the two chains. the old and the 2.0. So I think this will happen somewhere. Yeah, the merge to happen before June 2022. But Ethereum developers are always delaying, so we'll see how it will go. But I'm sure that Ethereum is really will perform well when the Ethereum 2.0 merge will happen, and maybe this will be the top of the bull cycle. And our next piece of news is Coinbase, everything you need to know about the first ever US Bitcoin ETF. So Coinbase is integrating the ProShare new Bitcoin ETF, so you will be able to trade. If you are a Coinbase user, you will be able to trade these future Bitcoin ETFs through your Coinbase app. You find a referral link to Coinbase in the description and also to other exchanges. So check it out. You will get a free Bitcoin when you are signing up with our link to Coinbase and also to other exchanges. Let's check our next news. 58% of the Generation Z's considering quitting work to go crypto full time. Oh, that sounds amazing, guys. So I think in 10 years, we will not see any traditional jobs out there, but crypto jobs, metaverse jobs, and all other that's connecting to social media. When there is uncertainty, people tend to stay put. So they are pent up resignation that didn't happen over the past year. And this is how the China working age force has shrunk by 5%. So also the working age is decreasing. And there was a survey that someone quit the job at some point over the last year due to financial freedom earned by investing in cryptocurrency. And yes, I have. And so most of the polls showing that they know something or even they are on it. So that's a huge news. I leave it open. Our next piece of news is Reddit co-founder and Solana Ventures to invest 100 million in the decentralized social media. Also, guys, a few days ago, there was a news that Reddit will integrate Ethereum layer 2 solution Arbitrum and to onboard 500 million users in crypto. And now also they are partnering up with Solana. Our next piece of news is Austria plans to trade and tax cryptocurrencies like stock investments report, and that stock and bond once and impose of 27.5% taxation rate on all of them. So guys, if you are living in Austria, I recommend you to move to Switzerland or even to Hungary, because where I live in Hungary, the tax is just 15%, and also in Switzerland, in Zug, where CorionX is based, the tax is under 10%. So definitely check out and move to crypto-friendly country. Austria seems to be not that one. Okay, so let's go and check what we do see on the charts. We see that after the yesterday top, Bitcoin is correcting back. That was a huge drop in the price with this huge candle, but now it seems to be bouncing here. And I think also if it would correcting back to low 60,000, that would be a nice buying opportunity. And also, as we see here, Binance coin, I think it's really close to make a new all-time high, but it's failed for now, so it was not far away. Binance coin also consolidating now. And let's check Ethereum. Ethereum is doing well. Also did a new all-time high about 4,800 and now corrected back, and also just spiked out from our rising channel, but still in this channel. So I'm definitely bullish on Ethereum. What else do we have? I think let's check. Yeah, OMG is pumping now. Good to see. Congratulations if you hold OMG. Cardano is unstoppable, just made a new all-time high after this small correction. So I even cannot buy in Cardano because it's just pumping. But let's check Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu also seems that bounced on our support zone, might bounce here. So bounce, and now it's back again. So we'll see if it can go to our resistance zone. So guys, I want to show you an important update today that how can you participate in the Polkadot parachain auctions. There are some crowd loans that's going around, and you can stake your dot, your Polkadot, for 2 years, and also you will earn a reward from the parachain that you are providing your dot holdings. So I'm showing you how can you do this. So just come here, and also let's check here. So come to polkadot.jz.org, and let's do this. So this is the Polkadot site. Okay. It's a little bit slow now, but we'll show you anyway. First, you should make a Polkadot wallet. Come here, polkadot.gz.org.apps, and after that you will get accounts, and you will have different accounts here. Then I provide you a referral link. With this referral link, you will earn extra dots, so even maybe a half of the dot that you can earn with. So let's come here and paste your referral link, and after that connect your wallet. I'm connecting through Ledger, and then I'm waiting, just showing up these things. And I really recommend you. So crowd loan, and then borrow crowd loan. Okay, now I'm just waiting what will happen with this. Okay, so now I'm here. This is the referral code that also I have, and also I will provide you. I have my balance here, and I come here. Let's say I wanna put let's say 2 Polkadot to look up, or even 1 Polkadot to look up, and then I'm going yes, and this is the better to choose, because you will get extra reward, almost 15% of your after your dot, and also some extra rewards. And if you are staking in this parallel finance, parallel Heiko, then you will able to pick out a loan and then contribute to parallel. So this is okay, this is how it goes. Yes, and I don't know why it's not active. Contribute to parallel. Oh, okay, so I need the 5, but I will not put all the 5 now, because also I want to make another video in Hungarian, so I'm not doing, but then I will put the entire amount, and we'll come back with this. So then I will put my entire balance. The minimum contribution is 5 dot. So after contributing 5 dot, then I will earn this. And also check out these other crowd loans, but the best is what I just showed you. So if you are here, these are other crowd loans. So you can choose with this referral code whichever you want, but parallel is that one where you have several other bonuses here, and also you can lend and borrow. So even if you are staking your dots, you are able to get pick up a loan and just getting back your dot. So then also you can trade that dot, but you should be paying back before the crowd loan is ending in 2 years. So definitely watch out, and I would sign up to Pearl, but I will put all these other links into the description. So guys, that's it for today. Also, just take a look on CorionX DeFi. We updated a little small, we made some small adjustment. So the APR is back about 200% on the CorionX BNB pair in our farm, and also the CorionX BUSD paying out a nice 540%. So I recommend to use these two farms because there is no deposit fee. Other farms has huge deposit fees, so just stake CorionX BNB or CorionX BUSD and put your liquidity token into our farm and earn these nice rewards. So please smash the like, push the bell, notification all, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, and please write in the comment what is your price prediction for the end of the year for Bitcoin, and what is your favorite altcoin besides CorionX. And don't forget to make your Polkadot wallet, withdraw Polkadot from exchanges, and let's come to a parallel pool and stake your DOT in the parallel and earn para additionally. And also you can take out a loan and you can get back your dots with this loan. So guys, smash the like and share this video with your friend. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.